Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you all always well. Today I will discuss again about my trade today on the 7th July of 2022, and the result was kind of good. Now I get the 100% winning ratio. What the important lesson here was be careful on the trade. I think that is the difference between the trade before that I'm doing and avoiding the tentative candlestick, and also doing some breakout. That is the strategy. And then let's discuss the entry number one. This is the number one when I entry, which is I'm waiting for the tentative candle to appear. Okay, this one, and the entry point was exactly on the opening, but it's getting profit, but it's also some kind of risky because this level is getting broken. So what my thinking process here before was something like this. Let's see what's happening here. Okay, this I will see this candle, guys, and I see this kind of ranging before. Okay, so this kind of movement in the big perception, so it could go ranging if here is not going down, which is this candle is breaking out. But I also pay attention about the tentative candle, because in the ranging market, tentative candle can lead us to the retracement or something like reversal. So what happened here was I like to pay attention of this candlestick. Okay, this is some hammer, you see, in the tree, and then probably the next will be that. Okay, and then the next should be bullish. Okay, that is the first thing. Okay, and beside that I also see that the level interaction. So you see here, when this is already a bullish, okay, a bullish candlestick, the hammer in the tree or the breakout of this level, why this is after that the closing price was here and the next is exactly on the level. Okay, this is exactly on 38.2, and here it's basically a doji. It also can be like that. It's just the perception, so you can combine anything. And that is a doji, right? And that is also some kind of weak bullish. Okay, that is also the perception, because before, if this was some kind of hammer, why this is have to be retraced? It's not going break. Okay, and based on this candlestick, I read this is a weak candlestick. Because why? Because this is three candle that not close above the 38.2, and the next was a doji. So here I'm expecting some consolidation. Okay, and I see that this candlestick close exactly on the level, but I'm not entering into the sell option, because I remember that in the yesterday and the day before I just get trapped by this kind of movement. This is like tentative candle, which is in here is a little bit tricky. Okay, so this is like the exhaustion candle, but it's also breaking some level here. So this happening, I expect this is a tentative candle. It's going down very deep because this is some kind of ranging too, but at the end it's like getting power to going up, because this is also breaking up at the level of 23.6. so that is why it's going up and down, because there is also ranging there, and the actual ranging happened after this candlestick here. This was the actual ranging in between the level of 38.2 and the level of here, which is the 14.8. Fibonacci level. Okay, that is the first entry, but honestly this candlestick was not like a real tentative candle, because the tentative candle should not broken this kind of wick. Okay, so I just like focus on this one because this is a doji, so the next three could be after the tentative candle it going to be retraced or something like that, because this is already weak before here. Okay, but actually the next three was not like that because it's a bullish candlestick. So this is a little bit lucky, but it's going to be retracement. It's going to be retracement, and here consolidation small, after that is going down. So that's it, guys, and this is some kind of also against the major and the minor trend, so it's not really nice, but that's the reality when we trade. Now we have to see the actual chart that appears. You see here, this is look like a little bit different than the chart that already done. So see, it's a weak candlestick. Okay, I see this is some kind of weakness, but this is breakout, and I'm just hoping or expecting here to be bearish, and the price do that. It's very long down. You see, it's convincing, but this is actually also a breakout, and the major is up, and we should enter here also a buy option. That is for the lesson. Okay, so okay, let's see at the end. At the end it was, you see, it's very risky, but it's profit. And because I'm not aware of the position of the, this is the 61.8, so this is the position of 23.6. okay, that is the first entry, and after that I just pause the trade. I'm not doing any trade after the next hours. So this is like the 3 hours next, and I start again the trade. The two remain of the quotation and here I just use the breakout candle because I see the strong trend, same like before that I always trap in here, which is doing a buy option. Now I doing only sell option because I see the breakout of the 200 EMA. That means the EMA was strong, and the breakout could be the real strong trend. Okay, so after I see this was a doji. Okay, this is mean selling pressure, the breakout, and then I just do a continuation, but with the safe entry point right now in the above the 38.2 here, and then the price close exactly on the 50 and they reverse on the 61, and that is the entry, the second entry, which following the minor and the major downtrend after the breakout candle. This is basically not so good because at the end the result could be doji or small bullish because the breakout because the pressure is already used in the breakout. But honestly in here I'm still have a doubt because you see this candlestick, it's a small, how if this will be bullish? Okay, so that is why I'm not entering here. I'm entering after the pressure coming in, and I also could also enter here, but I think I'm not thinking like that at the moment. So this is the second entry. That's getting fast. Okay, so I just push the record after it is set the entry. You see I enter in above the level of 38.2, based on this round number. So you have to understand with the level, by using this, this is mean the exact level and never change, but the level is the level, and sometimes the level get easily broken because the different market condition, like the Asia session, the New York session, and London session. So this is kind of London session now. So you see from the 23 is jumping down to the 50. It's like the big movement of the price. Okay, that is the number 2, and then the number 3 was a little bit scary here but it's saved by the entry point, because I know that it's something happened, could be like before that was a doji, but what I see was this candlestick is breaking out the 61. Okay, this is the 61.8 Fibonacci there, and this candle is a big breakout. This is the round number. I just not sure with this one because this is the below is the support, also could be a retracement, so I wait retracement. Retracement doesn't appear here, that's a breakout again, that means the strong trend. And here also I have a doubt, because how if the fake breakout happened there, because this is the level of 23 or a dead zone, and then I just waiting for another breakout, and I see this level 38.2 was getting broken again, but actually this is the end of the trend, guys. But I still have the opportunity to take the entry, sell if the price got in the level of 23.6, because I also not trust with this 38.2, because the fake breakout can happen here with the formation of the piercing line or something like that. So I just wait for the 23.6 and I hit enter, and the price close with the candle or small bullish upper and lower shadow, and this is the trade. Okay, you see I just enter exactly on the level, that in the hope of protecting my entry, because that is the level has to be retest again. Okay, so that is, guys, it's already why this candlestick. Okay, this I record this at the 7, and then okay, it's just getting expired now, and I thought it was a doji, but it's a small bullish, because the reason of the end of the trend, guys. So this is too lost momentum, the bearish is too much, and that is why the level 61 below the round number is very nice to see a fake breakout, like a morning star. This is morning star, and that is, guys. So today we do a little bit better with the proper analysis and the more patient a little bit. But who knows, tomorrow is will the end of the week. Let's see tomorrow. Now it's like still in the loss of 0.33, I think, dollar, and let's see what's happened tomorrow, guys. So this is basically the brief. So I record the level, I record the candlestick, the trend, and also the what is the most effect that affected our trade to be profit or loss. So the second one is the level, the third is the level, and the first one, it could be the tentative candle that is so lost momentum, but it's not recommended in that kind of area, and this is the reason. And the entry zone was, the second one was good, the first one was bad, the third was good, and that's it. Okay, so thank you, guys. I hope you enjoyed my video. Bye bye.